Okay, the yellow sheet I gave you involves how to translate the words varies directly or varies inversely into an equation. And one other thing they might do is says A is inversely proportional to, or A is directly proportional to. They might do that too. They might use the word proportional, but again, inversely and directly will be there. If something, anything, varies directly as anything else, the first thing equals some constant of variation times the second thing. The constant of variation is some numerical value that's going to be the same throughout the life of the problem. So as long as you're doing problem number 1, and you get a constant variation k equals 17, for the rest of the problem k is going to equal 17. When you get to problem number 2, k might equal 44. For the rest of that problem, k is going to equal 44. So each problem has its individual k value. So you're going to start off by translating the varies directly or varies inversely statement into a k equation. Directly is k times the second thing, inversely is k divided by the second thing. A varies always is A equals. The number of dogs varies directly as the number of cats. D equals KC. The number of boys varies inversely as the number of girls. B equals K over G. So it's just a matter of using letters that are meaningful in the problem using this idea. All right, K is in every single setup if you're going to do it this way. So example 1, the mass of a substance varies directly as the volume of the substance. So let's just take a look at this, simplifying the problem as much as possible. The mass varies directly as the volume. Okay. Mass varies, that's m equals, directly as volume, that's kV. So that's job 1. Take the statement of variation and create a simple equation. It's either going to be first letter equals k times second letter, or first letter equals k divided by second letter, depending on this word here. Directly means to multiply. Then you continue reading the problem. They should give you one state of the problem. In other words, they're going to tell you the mass and volume at some point. The mass of 2 liters of the substance is 10 kilograms. Now be careful with this. You guys have taken English, right, and grammar? Mm-hmm. You did a lot of diagramming of sentences and stuff. You had prepositional phrases, those kinds of things. Okay. Reading that sentence carefully. Is the mass 2 liters or the mass 10 kilograms?
10 kilograms.
10 kilograms. The mass is 10 kilograms. There's the sentence. Of 2 liters of the substance is a prepositional phrase which doesn't carry weight in the sentence. We can throw prepositional phrases out, the rest of the sentence still makes sense. The mass is 10 kilograms. 2 liters is a volume. So, they told me the mass is 10 kilograms, the volume is 2 liters, and just like that, the only thing I don't know is K, but just very easily I can figure out that K is equal to what? K is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 2. K being the constant of variation means once I know what K equals, it's going to equal that for the rest of the problem. So, once I know what K equals, I'm going to go back to my original variation equation that I made, and I'm going to rewrite it m equals 5v, changing K to its value. All right? So, the question then goes, what will be the volume of 35 kilograms of the substance? So what are we looking for?
So we're looking for volume.
We're looking for volume, so we don't know V. 35 kilograms is M. So 35 equals 5V. Divide both sides by 5 and get V is equal to 7 what?
Liters.
Volume's in liters, so 7 liters. Okay. Also another way of figuring out what's what if you weren't sure, the fact that it says what will be the volume implies this is a mass. The unit of mass is kilograms, which tells you the unit of mass there is also kilograms. The units should match up for the types of things we're dealing with in these problems.